Living Wills and Advance Directives. In 1983, 25-year-old Nancy Cruzan was comatose following an auto accident and soon entered a persistent vegetative state. After waiting 4 years for her to recover, Cruzan's family sought to remove her feeding tube. After 3 years of court wrangling, the Cruzan family finally convinced a judge that Nancy would not have wanted to live on artificial life support and received permission to have her feeding tube removed. In 1990, 26-year-old Terri Schiavo collapsed in her home. After 10 weeks in a coma, Schiavo entered a persistent vegetative state. In 1998, Schiavo's husband sought to remove her feeding tube. Her parents disagreed. A 7-year court struggle, which got national attention, resulted pitting Schiavo's husband against her parents in a battle over whether to continue artificial life support. A judge eventually agreed with her husband. A common issue links these two women. Neither Cruzan nor Schiavo had an advanced directive expressing her wishes regarding artificial life support or other life-sustaining medical care. Both cases involved families going to court and asking judges to interpret the incapacitated person's wishes. In the Schiavo case, that court battle featured an extremely bitter struggle between Terri's husband and her parents. An advanced directive notifies your caregivers what kind of treatment you want if you lose the ability to make and communicate medical decisions. For instance, if you become comatose or enter a persistent vegetative state. Many hospitals discuss advanced directives with their patients at the time of admission. You communicate your wishes regarding your medical treatment in 2 common ways. The first uses your durable power of attorney for healthcare, which allows you to name an agent for healthcare decisions, also called a proxy or advocate, and authorize them to make decisions on your behalf regarding what treatment you receive. The other, called an advance directive or traditionally a living will, contains a set of instructions to healthcare providers to be followed if you cannot communicate your wishes for yourself. An advance directive usually sets out specific directions as to the course of treatment that your caregivers should take, or perhaps most importantly, sets out the treatments you don't want. An advance directive is an important tool for both your peace of mind and that of your family. With an advance directive, both your family and your doctors know what your wishes are. It can save you from living in a state that you would never want to be in, and it can save your loved ones from the painful burden of making end-of-life decisions for you. To be assured that your wishes are realized, get connected with the leader in the industry, Legacy Assurance Plan, and visit our website at legacyassuranceplan.com or call us at 844-445-3422.